Alright, we're back for this tandem flight with a 70mm F-16 Johns. A little breezy out. Okay, whenever you're ready, I'll be like right behind you. Okay. Okay. Very nice. We'll keep this pattern.
Which way are you turning, left or right?
We're gonna, hold on. Woo. I'm gonna come back over the field now. No power, or idle power. We'll go clockwise.
Okay.
Let's keep the same direction as takeoff.
Oh, that thing is fast. Yours is real fast. I didn't expect that.
I think it's about equivalent to 80, I believe. This twin 64, I think.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So,
You have way more power than me.
there we go. Okay, you got under. Oof.
Yeah, I can feel the wind.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not too bad though.
Yeah, it's not super bad, but I can feel it bouncing around up there.
Yeah.
It should help with landing. So coming in low. You're right behind me. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Where'd you go?
Kind of.
I'm going for a loop. Drop in behind you. Should be catching up. Ooh. Felt a little gust there.
Oh yeah.
I got the battery pushed a little bit more forward too for this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I got a little more nose heaviness.
Oh, does that give you more speed?
No, for the wind. You know, like to help not be so squirrely in the wind.
Oh, I see. Yeah, speaking of that, I'm going high rates.
Oh, you're on high rates.
Forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's much better.
Woo.
Yeah, low rates is way more controllable.
Yeah.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Feel a nice gust coming. Power up. Go right into the wind. I'm at idle.
I feel like I need to land my power.
Okay.
Oh shit.
What happened?
I'm power.
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh, what happened? Did you?
I ran out of power.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Okay.
man, I'm way out there. Too.
Oh. Oh no, the F-16 went down. No good. Okay, I'm gonna come land from the right.
Gear down.
Alright, gears are down. Whoa, getting a little gusty here.
Flaps 1. Flaps 4.
Okay, good enough.
5